Welcome to my channel Tech Titan Reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated 2024 M4 MacBook Pro. As Apple enthusiasts, we've all been eagerly awaiting this release, and it's finally here. So, let's explore everything this new powerhouse has to offer, from its groundbreaking features to its potential impact on the tech world. The new MacBook Pro boasts a vibrant, true-to-life display with a higher refresh rate, better color accuracy, and possibly even mini LED or OLED technology. This means more immersive visuals whether you're editing photos, watching movies, or designing graphics. Enhanced connectivity options as our technology evolves, so do our connectivity needs. The MacBook Pro M4 comes equipped with the latest Thunderbolt ports, additional USB-C ports, and improved wireless connectivity options. The 2024 M4 MacBook Pro takes this to the next level with a more refined design that is not only aesthetically pleasing but also durable and robust. Imagine a MacBook Pro that's thinner. A comfortable typing and navigation experience is crucial for productivity, and Apple has delivered with the M4 MacBook Pro. It features an improved keyboard with better tactile feedback and a more responsive trackpad, making it a joy to use for long periods. Whether you're attending virtual meetings, watching movies, or producing music, the MacBook Pro M4 comes with upgraded speakers and enhanced audio technology for a richer, more immersive audio experience. High-performance laptops often face the challenge of managing heat. Apple has tackled this issue head-on with the M4 MacBook Pro, incorporating advanced cooling solutions that keep the device running cool even under heavy workloads. It includes improved biometric authentication, enhanced encryption, and more robust privacy controls to protect users' data. This makes it an excellent choice for professionals who handle sensitive information and need a secure computing environment. The M4 MacBook Pro offers even better connectivity with other Apple devices, allowing for a more cohesive and efficient user experience. Whether you're using an iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch, the new MacBook Pro ensures smooth and intuitive interactions across all your devices. Hardware is only part of the equation, and Apple knows this well. The M4 MacBook Pro is expected to come with exciting new software features that enhance productivity, creativity, and overall user experience. The 2024 M4 MacBook Pro has the potential to set new standards in the laptop industry. With its impressive array of features and improvements, it could become the ultimate tool for professionals, creatives, and everyday users. Conclusion: as we eagerly await more news and updates about this exciting release, we can't help but imagine the possibilities the 2024 M4 MacBook Pro brings. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates and insights into the world of technology. Stay tuned as we bring you the latest news, reviews, and in-depth analyses of the most exciting tech releases. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.